Alright, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to add a new blog post to our WordPress site. So, after we log in with our username and password, it takes us to our dashboard like usual. And we're going to go over here to the left hand menu side, look for the link called Posts, click that, and then click Add New. This takes us to our Add New Post page, and in this text box right here, this is where the title of our blog post goes. This one we're going to call Awesome Blog Post 1 because we're awesome. We're going to tab down to this text input box right here. This is the main body text where everything that we want to include in our blog post is going to go, whether that's images, texts, links, whatever we want. So on this blog post, let's say we want to add an image. We're going to go up here to the Add Media button, click that. Takes us to our media library where all our images on our website are going to be stored. And we want to use this kids feeding ducks picture because it's super cute. So we're going to click that and come down here to insert into post. And that's just going to pop that right in there. And we're going to enter down a line, and we're probably going to need some text in there. So this is where you would do that. In this case, I already have some dummy text already copied down, so I'm just going to paste that into there. It's looking good. And then let's say we want to add a link in our blog post. Let's say we want to add a link to our Facebook page. Whatever link you're going to use, just copy the URL. You can right click, copy, go back to our add blog post page, right click and paste. And that just pastes the URL right in there. Pretty simple, but that looks pretty ugly. And there's a better way to do it. So instead of pasting the URL directly into our new blog post, let's call the link something else. Let's call it check out our Facebook page, like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to highlight that and come up here to our, this is called the sync, and we are going to click the chain link button, and that's going to turn our highlighted section of text into a link to our Facebook page. It brings up a little box, and in here is where you want to put the Facebook URL. So we're just going to paste that in there, go to add link, and that turns this little section of text into our link, which looks a lot nicer. And yeah, so that looks pretty good. You can add more things to your blog post page. You can format it however you like. There's no real set way to do things. You can add text up here on top, image down here. You can put multiple images, as much text as you want. More formatting options up here. It works a lot just like Microsoft Word. You got your bold, your italicized text. This adds a line through text. You just highlight a section of text that you want to affect and click that. It makes it bold. Let's say we want this part. Let's see, this part to be italicized. Boom. Really easy. You can add a bulleted list, numbered list, block quotes. You can align text left, center, right, just like Microsoft Word. Don't worry about these right here, these three or these four. Here you can add headings, headers, underline, justified. You can change the text color if you want. These, you're probably gonna never use these ones either. So yeah, really simple. It acts just like Microsoft Word. Let's say we have all that. Our blog post is finished. We're gonna come down here to the categories box, and this is where we're gonna tell WordPress where to put our blog post in what category. Let's say we want to put this one in articles. We would click the articles box, You can add you can add the same box to multiple categories. So you can add it to articles and events if you want, and bibliography, but you're probably not going to want to do that. So we'll just do articles. So just click that, come back up here to publish, click publish, and that's going to publish our blog post. Let WordPress do its thing. Then we're going to come back over here to all posts, see if everything's peachy, and it looks like it. You can click that, it's going to bring us to our post, and this is where you can edit the post too. It's right here. So if you mess up and want to add something to it, you can always just go into all posts and find what post you're looking for and edit it there. And let's go to our actual site. So click the name of the site up in the top left. It's going to bring us to our site. And we're going to navigate to our articles page. Click that. And it looks like it worked. Cool. And this is going to bring us to our excerpt page. And if people like what they see and they want to read more, they're going to click the title of the blog post. And that brings us to our actual post. And there it is. People can comment right here, leave comments on that, and all that good stuff. And so that's about it. Really simple. That's how you add a blog post.